Should I exercise? Is exercise harmful for my baby or should I rest? These are the basic common questions asked by the pregnant mothers. So, in this video, we are going to define the myths and the fact in pregnancy, whether we can do exercise and what needs to be followed. Hi, I am Dr. Devashri Bhople, in charge physiotherapist, Manipal Hospital, Nagar Road. So, usually, myth 1. Can I exercise in my pregnancy? Yes, definitely. The fact is, yes, definitely you can exercise in the pregnancy. Myth 2. Complete bed rest. The fact is, complete bed rest unless and until told by the gynecologist, you don't need to be on the bed. You can stay active. Proper activities as well as exercises can help you to have a better circulation, as well as ankle pump exercises and breathing exercises will enhance the pregnancy in more beautiful way. Myth number 3. Can I lift weights? Will lifting weights affect my baby? So the third fact is कि resistance exercises can help you gain the strength of your body as well as your muscles, which is in fact useful for you after the delivery as well as during the pregnancy period. So resistance exercises with the supervision as well as guidance are important. Then myth number 4. Can Kegels exercises be done only after the delivery? Kegels exercises, if done before the delivery, can affect my baby? So, the fact is no. Kegels exercises and the pelvic floor strengthening are started and initiated right from the pregnancy. So, depending on the second and third trimester, stimulation of the pelvic floor muscles as well as activation of the pelvic floor muscles are very important, and Kegels exercises are started right from your second trimester so that it can help for the stretching as well as strengthening of the muscles and also the bearing capacity. Myth number 5. Can sitting down or bending down harm my baby? So, unless and until told by the gynecologist or by the physiotherapist that you don't have to move and do not have to do anything unless there is a complication, you can do squats, you can do lunges, you can do birth ball exercises in your third trimester. So in pregnancy, even the resistance exercises can be done as well as the squats also can be done, but we would advise that it is done under the supervision. One more myth regarding exercises as well as the pregnancy is, while doing the exercises, can it increase the back pain? So, in fact, breathing exercises, cat and camel exercises relaxes your spinal muscles as well as the paraspinal muscles, and also helps in flexibility of the muscles, which in fact reduces the back pain. So it doesn't increase the back pain, it reduces the back pain. So this time we have seen the myths and the facts, and for more information, please contact Mom Story Nagar Road.